Hey guys, what's up? So today I am going to be doing my Aquarius video. So I'm going to talk a little bit about Aquarius like I usually do. So they're from January 20th to February 18th. They are a fixed sign, which I'm really not going to explain every single video, but yes, they're fixed sign. Their stone is the amethyst stone. They are an air element, and their color is light blue and silver. Their special day is Saturday. And their lucky numbers are 4, 7, 11, 22, and 29. So their strengths are that they are progressive, original, independent, and humanitarians. Weaknesses are runs from emotional expression, tempered, and aloof. Their likes are fun with friends, helping others, intellectual conversations, and their dislikes are broken promises, being lonely, boring situations, people who disagree with them. So in all, they are problem solvers, they're non-prejudiced, and they have like a really big imagination and they love to use it. Yeah, so that's a little bit about the Aquarius, and I'm going to be doing my makeup look. The eyes are finished. I'll zoom out so I could see my face. So this is the finished look for Aquarius. I didn't like it at first, but like with eyelashes and everything done, it's not too bad. It's very like different from what I'm used to doing, but I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and do different things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try and post every Tuesday. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.